Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the past, present, and future of Chat. First, let's take a look at the past. Chat, or Chat General Purpose Technology, has been around for quite some time. In fact, it's one of the oldest language models out there. It was originally developed by OpenAI, and its main purpose was to provide a natural language processing tool that could be used in chatbots and other applications. At the time, Chat was state-of-the-art, and it was able to perform a wide range of tasks. It could understand and generate human-like text, and it could even hold basic conversations. However, as time went on, Chat started to show its limitations. It wasn't always able to understand more complex conversations, and it struggled with tasks like summarization and translation. Now, let's take a look at the present. Over the past few years, Chat has continued to evolve and improve. It's now able to handle a wider range of tasks, and it's even able to understand and generate text in multiple languages. It's also been integrated into a number of different applications, from chatbots to virtual assistants. But despite its improvements, Chat still has its limitations. It's not perfect, and it can still struggle with more complex tasks. However, the future looks bright for Chat. As machine learning and artificial intelligence continue to advance, Chat will only get better. In the future, we can expect Chat to be even more versatile and capable, and it will likely be integrated into even more applications. So there you have it, the past, present, and future of Chat. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more content like this.